Yeah, so again, this is something that it can't just be dipped into the reserve funds yet. There needs to be a vote that will likely take place today on whether or not they will change the rules to free up around $380 million to be used to try to bridge the gap here between a lot of the spending questions, if you will, when it comes to the budget deficit that the county is currently looking at. Now, this could impact a wide range of services, a wide range of county employees. In fact, we saw unionized county employees today who are pro going and dipping into that reserve funding because it will help with the services that they provide. It will help with their jobs. And here's a part of what they had to say today.
Decades of underinvestment in communities and in the workforce and the people who really rely on these services. So it's really important that we continue to have the terrain so that we're able to bring changes about for the people who rely on county services, for the people who need them most.
All right, so this was something that was brought forth by Supervisor Terra Lawson-Remer and Montgomery Steppe here to push this proposal to revise the reserve fund policy in order to unlock around $380 million immediately here in emergency funds to prevent cuts to essential services amid looming state and what, again, they are pointing out federal budget reductions. Now, their plan would reduce the county's reserve requirement from $973 million to $945 million and also redefine what qualifies as reserves, which allows for more flexibility. Now, of course, this is something that has also drawn some criticism, specifically from Republican Supervisors Joel Anderson and Jim Desmond. Desmond, who has been very vocal against this, especially on social media, arguing that this is fiscally reckless, pointing out that these are reserve funds that are meant to be used in the event of extreme fires, wildfires, and other natural disaster emergencies and other emergencies that would require spending from the county in a situation like that. It's also a great example about why the late July supervisor race is simply so important. You have two Democrats who are working together on this, with Supervisor Terra Lawson-Remer and Montgomery Steppe, and seemingly going up against two Republicans here in Supervisors Desmond as well as Anderson. And if they both vote against party lines, this is not something that would advance simply because they do not have that fifth vote. Of course, in the District 1 race, you have Democratic Mayor of Imperial Beach, Paloma Aguirre, going up against Republican Mayor of Chula Vista, John McCann, but an election that's not set to take place until late July.